All right, you've always been a person who said, I'm focusing on racing and all the circus around, I don't like it that much. So the current conditions are not that bad for you, right? You can focus on racing and not so much trouble as always.
Yeah, but we still have the interview, so that's the sad part of it. But it's a bit better. Let's put it this way.
All right, so let's get down to business, F1 business. The first race in Austria with a kind of absurd situation with you losing a tire all of a sudden. What happened?
Simply, obviously, we lost the front tire. It was very odd because obviously we did, I think it was like 3 laps behind the safety car. All was normal, and then suddenly, just on kind of when the restart was happening, it just came off suddenly. So yeah, obviously somewhere was an issue in a nut or something. But yeah, if we would have known, we would never left the pit stop. But like we said, it was okay for a few laps, and then we lost it. So yeah, unfortunate thing, and yeah, obviously wasn't ideal for the end result. But that's how things unfortunately go sometimes.
And why did you lose the tire? Was it an error in the pit during the pit stop or some technical
I don't
issue?
know. I mean, obviously, if we would have known that there's an issue on the pit stop, the car would have never left. But if even afterwards, if you look all our numbers and everything, that every team has it, that if they can see if the wheels are tight or not, everything looks normal. But then suddenly we lose the wheel. So obviously, it was very odd situation, and obviously we have to learn the issues why, and we can make sure it doesn't happen.